what we got here today for video reviews. My YouTube channel, you can subscribe, and pretty much every week you'll see a new product. Let's see which one. Let's see what we got here. So this is super interesting. I travel a lot. I go out on the wild, different trips, and this one is a power bank, but this one is a bit different than others because this one, GOODaaa PNW22, it's solar powered. Here's the panel, all the wires, different wires to recharge. It's an USB-C wire to charge it somewhere, and even a little clip to hang it. Where does it go? Well, I'll figure it out, but this is going to be super useful. You go out on a trip, motorcycle ride, anything like that. So it doesn't look like it's charged. So let's put it under the sun and see how long it takes to charge. I guess it didn't get enough sun in the box while getting here. Actually, I'm going to take it right now and leave it under the sun. You see this little white here? Green is blinking, looks very weak. So let's take it out and see how long it takes. So here in my backyard, that's my pool. Let's leave it here. Let's see, it's 9:19, so we'll come back in an hour or so. So I kind of forgot about it. It's almost noon now. So this should be charged. Let's see, feels a little bit warm. There it is, those are the lights. I mean, it's daylight now, but I can see they're pretty bright. The green light is now solid, so it means it's charged, and you have all the different wires to charge the different things. So this already looks like a really good product. I'm gonna test it more later. So if you follow my channel, you know that I'm always reviewing different cars. I work with the GoPro, I work with the DJI Osmo 5. As you can see here, this battery is about to die. It says it has 9% of 8%. It's going down actually as we film, obviously. So this power bank is going to be really useful when I'm on the road, and even though the cars have USB ports to charge everything, you can take it with you wherever you go, and you always have energy to charge, and you don't have to carry any extra wires. Because this one here, you see, it's already a USB-C. Let's connect it here. See if it starts charging immediately. Well, it's hard to tell. I think it's charging, but since I'm recording, it's giving me the indication with the red blinking light there. I want to turn this camera off. Oh, I have to. There it is. Powering off. And yeah, it's charging. You can see the red light solid. That means it's charging through the power bank. So again, I don't need an extra wire or anything. It's right there, and now I can keep working with it. I could actually carry it if I wanted to film like this. Let's try that outside. Let's see. So here we are, filming and charging at the same time, so we don't really waste any time. We don't need extra wires or anything. I mean, this is not the ideal setup, but I'm just showing this as a demonstration on how practical this power bank is. Obviously, I can charge my phone, any other device that has these 4 different wires can be powered by this. Amazing product, I like it. Well, here I am with a Cadillac Optic electric SUV, which almost matches the color of this solar charger, and I let the battery of my phone go on there or at 20, so it needs to be charged. So in theory, since we have almost direct sun here, the power bank will be charging while charging the phone. So it's 10:14, it's at 20%. I'm gonna leave it here for a little bit and see how long it takes to charge. So here we go. It's been a couple hours, but now it's 100% charge. The power bank still has some juice. I didn't leave it here outside all this time, but in theory, since it's getting sun, we could have been charging power bank and the phone at the same time. So I really like this product because I'm on the road again with cameras, with different things. And I have to say, this is one of the best design products. It has so many features, pretty much indestructible. It's waterproof, dustproof. It has the flashlight that I talk about, 100 hours of lighting with a full charge. Then you can charge it on the wall, on the sun. It has the USB-C, the iOS input port. You can charge your phone with induction too, and charge up to 6 devices at the same time. So I haven't seen anything better than this. And on my next trip to Chile to ski, to snowmobile, I'm gonna take this power bank and use it in this tactical vest. So it's perfect here. I have a tactical light with a knife, survival tool. I can put a camera here. I can put my phone in here. It has a camelback. The whole survival kit will be there. Check that out later. So here's another use of this power bank. I can mount it here on my bicycle, and maybe not today because it's kind of cloudy, but it will charge when I'm riding on the sun. And if I need to, I can charge my phone later. You see the green dot here? It has charge. So let's go for a little ride now. And if it was dark, I can use this as my light for the bike. So many different uses for this power bank. I like it. So this mount by company Jovi, it's intended for the iPhone, but as you can see, the power bank is just barely wider, so it fits there. I can mount my phone there, and I have this other pouch where I can take the power bank there and mount my phone as I normally do when I go biking. So there you go. In case I needed to charge the phone, I can pull out the wire, connect the phone, and put both of them here. That way they're both protected, and I can still use the phone. This plastic cover, so we're all covered with all these accessories for bike. Here's the phone charging. We really didn't need it, but just for this demonstration. There it is.